Outdated, damaged, or poorly installed electrical wiring in homes shouldn't be taken lightly. Electrical wiring is very dangerous if damaged or installed incorrectly and can cause fatal electrical shocks and fire. Here are 6 significant indications that your home may have faulty electrical wiring. Number 1. Frequent circuit breaker trips. If your circuit breakers frequently trip, it can be a sign of faulty electrical wiring. Number 2. Flickering, buzzing, and dimming lights are strong indications of outdated or damaged electrical wiring. If your lights buzz and flicker when turned on or turn dim when you use multiple appliances, you should contact an electrician. Number 3. Frayed or chewed wiring. Rodents or even your house pets can gnaw wiring until it's bare. Frayed or chewed wiring can cause an electrical shock or a fire hazard. Number 4. Discoloration, scorching, and smoke on your outlets can indicate that the wiring has been damaged and is releasing heat. This problem has the potential to do much worse if left unattended. Number 5. Warm or vibrating wall outlets. Do your electrical plugs feel warm when plugged into an outlet? Warm or vibrating wall outlets could mean there is loose or damaged wiring. Number 6. Burning and odd odors from the wiring or outlets is an immediate red flag and could indicate a serious problem that should be inspected by an electrician immediately. You must act fast when you notice these signs of faulty electrical wiring in your home. Call a professional and never attempt to fix the problem yourself.